Hello and welcome to Lesson 1. Today we are going to learn two Latin root words. The first one has a spelling variation. acer, acr, and acu. They all mean sharp, bitter. The next Latin root word is migr, means move, travel. We're going to be adding prefixes and suffixes to these two root words. Remember, prefixes is added before the root word, and it modifies the meaning. In this lesson, we have im, which means in, into, or not. The suffixes in this lesson is ant, which means one who, that which, state, quality. The next one has a spelling variation. It's ate or bate, which means to make, to act, one who, that which. The following suffix, ation, an action or process. The next one, id, means like, related to. Next, ity is a state, quality, or act. The following suffix has a spelling variation also. For mony, you can have imony, means state, quality, that which. The following also has a spelling variation of atory, and it means like, relating to, having the quality of, place, or thing connected with. And the last suffix in this lesson is with the spelling variation of imoni, ous. The suffix is ous, and it means having the quality of. Let's take a look at the list of words in this lesson. The first one is acuity, which is a noun, and it has to do with the sharpness or smartness or keenness. For example, if you always get top grades in math, then you have an acuity for numbers. The second word, acrid, is an adjective, and it's used to describe a person or a thing that is bitter or harsh. It's usually used to define a sharp, bitter taste or smell that is unpleasant. An example of acrid is the smell of sour milk. Acerbate is a verb. It means to make sour or bitter, or to irritate or annoy. A sentence using acerbate would be, recently police violence has acerbated social tension in many areas in the United States. The fourth word is acrimony. It's a noun. It means bitterness or harshness of temper, manner, or speech. I can use it in the sentence, is it possible to avoid such acrimony when you get divorced? The fifth word is acrimonious. It's an adjective used to describe something or someone that is bitter or harsh in manner, speech, marked by a strong bitterness, resentfulness, or sarcasm. I can use it in a sentence when a person says mean and hurtful things. It's an example of using acrimonious manner. The next word, migratory, is an adjective, and it describes regularly moving from one place to another. We think of birds that move seasonally, but we can also use it with people who are seeking work. The seventh word is migrate, which is a verb. It means to move from one place to another. Migration, the eighth word, is a noun, and it talks about the process or action of moving to a new country to settle down in and make it a new home. Migration is a noun, and it means the movement of people or animals from one area to the other. And finally, immigrant is a noun, and it means a person who comes to a country where they were not born in. Now it's your turn to use and practice using these words in exercises A through A. Good luck.